Hello everybody, Mike Parecka from SkipperBud's in Winthrop Harbor, Illinois and North Point Marina. Just wanted to take a few minutes and go through this brand new Sea Ray 2022 310 SLX. This is a stunning boat. One of my favorite in the Sea Ray lineup for sure. We have 3-zone coloring here, a black upper band, a white lower band, and the black hull bottom. Beautiful, beautiful color combination. See some docking lights here. California emissions. Bow eye. That's part of the Elite package, the stainless steel anchor. Beautiful running surface on this. Really, Sea Ray is the master at this. 6 drake, large chine. Absolutely beautiful running surface. I love that Sea Ray shoreline. Just looks like it's moving when it's standing still. This has twin 6.2 liter, 350 horse MerCruiser engines with Bravo 3s and JPO joystick, counter rotating props. This also has the submersible swim step right here. Kind of cool how they do this. You see the mechanism they use right there. This ram is the same trim ram you see on the IO. So this holds up to 400 pounds. You can see that right here. But great way to get on and off the boat if you got dogs. It's fantastic. Boarding ladders here. Underwater LED lights. This also has dynamic running surface, which is a really cool feature. So when that option is selected, a plug is put into the mold to accommodate for this space. And then this large tab is installed, and there is an automatic Linko system tied to that, and it self-levels the boat and gets the optimal performance out of it. Fantastic option. That's a Sea Ray exclusive. Also a Sea Ray exclusive, the Quiet Ride. So all SLXs have this Quiet Ride feature. What it is, it's extra sound deadening, and it significantly drops the decibels of the boat. They run much quieter. So Sea Ray is the only manufacturer doing this, and compared to other boats in this class, this is by far the quietest and just most enjoyable to be in. Speaking of not being quiet, here's your Fusion sound system back here. Ski tow eye. I get asked this question a lot. This light right here. So on JPO boats, MerCruiser power, that will light up if the engines are running. If the props are spinning or if it's in gear, the light will rotate. Just basically, it's a warning to everyone saying, hey, props are spinning, be careful. There's your walkthrough. The large box right there is going to be your battery switches. The upper box right there, that's going to be for your submersible step that we just looked at. And that chrome piece right there is your shower. Looking up, you can see we have the canvas roof open. This also has a Sureshade sunshade that covers the aft of the boat. That is also part of that Elite package that this boat has. Beautiful, stunning, brand new boat. This has the Surpass warranty on it, which is a 5-year stem to stern Sea Ray warranty. Probably the best in the biz as far as I know. I mean, these are the guys that really, really took pleasure boating and put it on the map. Sea Ray. True king of the industry. And the touches they do, the things they do are just above and beyond so many other manufacturers. If you look against any, Cobalt, Chaparrals, anybody, this is really, really top of the line stuff. Touch points are fantastic, stitching's fantastic, layouts are fantastic. Once again, this is probably one of my favorite boats in the entire lineup. It is a super comfy bow rider, great in rough water, 21-degree dead rise. Let's take a look inside. All right, we're inside of the 2022 brand new Sea Ray 310 SLX. Just looking at this beautiful matting, beautiful shapes. Back seat, a little more space out here. This will pull up to either give you a leg brace or actually to be able to face aft a little closer to the back. Stereo control, lit cup holders. Love the Sea Ray stitching, this diamond pattern stitching. In the walkthrough here, large insulated self-draining cooler. Battery switches. This boat doesn't have any batteries in it yet, it's brand new. Platform switches right here. That is your shower. A lot of courtesy lighting throughout the boat. I love this L seat here. Great entertaining area. Very comfortable. The high backs on this Sea Ray, one of the Sea Ray touches are, they actually all have a rake. It's never straight up and down. Beautiful stitching. There's no areas to store stuff that can interrupt where your back is. It's just comfy everywhere you look. Seagrass carpet. Cup holders. Leather wrapped grab handles. An additional storage / cooler area here. Storage area, fire extinguisher, garbage can. Sink. This could be where your grill is. If you had the grill option, this does not. But it's just a nice little storage tub. Storage area here as well. Very nice hinging. Easy to open, easy to shut. Once again, leather wrapped, beautiful. Love this shape. And if I had batteries in this boat, you'd see that there's blue LED lighting that comes from that. It's like a Star Wars effect. It's very, very cool. In here is your refrigerator. Aft-facing seat. The portside helm chair, I have it turned. There's a little button right underneath that grab handle. By pulling that button, you can either have the chair face forward or be part of the entertaining area. It does have a bolster on it. Right here. See, I have the bolster up on that side, bolster down on this side. Glove box area for your phones. Large head, Becky flush with a holding tank. So lift the pedal up with your foot, fill the bowl, do your business, push down, flushes, goes to a holding tank. Sink. It's also got ventilation. Clean, beautiful helm here. This floating Simrad system. If I had batteries in this boat, you'd see that this will have some navigation, GPS, gauges, some digital switching, as well as push buttons. Love this stainless steel lean post. Fusion sound system. Swim platform button. Horn. Automatic fire extinguisher. This is that dynamic ride Linco system I was telling you about. So this levels the boat off. You can override it manually, but if you just hit auto, it just optimizes the boat's ride. It's super easy. It's super efficient and works awesome. This is the new Mercury control box. This is JPO. joystick operating. Ignitions are down here. A lot of speakers in this boat. Speakers everywhere you look. Fusion sound system. There. But look at how great this area is for entertaining. I mean, everyone's got a comfy seat with a rake in their backrest. Same here. This individual is now part of the conversation. Shut this glove box. Stainless steel header on the windshield. Very classy. We have lighting up top. This is open. To close this, basically turn this and manually slide it. And that's what it looks like closed. Table leg. Right for underneath I'm standing is a large ski locker for storage. Under here, cooler storage. Beefy, beautiful. I mean, just the things that Siri does. Look at the steering wheel. It's thick, it's beefy. The logo is large. This does have Nauticon. Looks like the guys are in the midst of installing the Nauticon system. Acrylic door. Double shut. And by shutting the windshield, you're going to cut 85% of the wind coming through the boat. You know, it just attention to detail. A lot of times these windshields will end high, leaving a gap. Sea Ray overlaps it, insets the door a little bit to really cut the wind off. Storage. Oh, I'm sorry, this is the main distribution panel. You have your switch for the swim platform, your water system, your 120, and your DC system. Main distribution panel right there. Big bow. Additional floor storage underneath this with a table. Cocktail tables you can put on either side. More speakers. Built-in cup holders. Beautiful stitching. Leather wrapped handle. Handle is inset. It's not up high where your hand can get injured. Beautiful Sea Ray logos, stitching, really nice, wide, perforated, very comfortable armrests. That's down, that's up. Same thing. Beautiful handle, inset, so your hands are safe when people are docking. Additional shower. We've got nav lights up here. Windlass with remote. This is your manual crank in case the windlass for some reason becomes inop. Nice stainless steel hose pipe with stainless steel anchor. Under here, it's your chain locker. So you get access to your road, your chain. Look at the cushions. Very thick, very robust. You know, soft foam up top and goes to a harder foam on the bottom. Very comfy. Great boat for just family, friends, entertaining. It really is one of my favorites. It's a great rough water boat. It's a great all-around boat. It's not too big. I mean, we're making 50-foot bow riders today. I mean, this can kind of go anywhere and does everything those 50-footers do, really. A must-see. This boat is currently at SkipperBud's in Winthrop Harbor at North Point Marina. Our phone number is 847-872-3200. Please stop by and take a look at this beauty.